In front of me is Vivo Y16, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this Vivo smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Then tap on App Settings and click on Most Recent. Over here, select the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent, and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications. I will go with Play Store. As you can see, after clicking on the switcher, all notifications from Play Store are disabled, but you can always enable them by tapping on the same switcher again. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!